Video is for you to learn how to log into your portal so that you can complete your questionnaires prior to your next video appointment. Simply go to fchwportal.md-hq.com, and that is our portal name. Come on over here to the login screen. Your username is your email address unless you've previously changed it. If you're unsure of your password, simply click on Forgot Password and you can reset a new one. Once you have your credentials put in, click Login and it'll bring you to the dashboard. Come on over here to the right side and you're looking for the icon that says Questionnaires. Go ahead and click that, and you want to scroll down to section C for hormone patients. This is for follow-up hormone patients only. Choose your gender. Go ahead and expand the box and you can look and see which form you need to complete. If you're coming in for a follow-up, you need to do all 4 forms: the hormone follow-up consent, the thyroid questionnaire, the hormone health questionnaire, and of course the sexual function questionnaire. To complete the form, click the button Start. You'll go ahead and complete the questions. Go ahead and answer all the questions. And when you're done, click Submit this form. It will automatically be sent to our office and we'll put it in the chart so Dr. C has it for your next appointment. Go ahead and scroll back down to section C, open it back up, look and see which ones you have left to do, and do all 4. Once you've got all 4 done, you are complete. We appreciate you doing this in advance. It'll make your appointment go much quicker and more efficient, and we'll be able to get you in and out and give you the great health care that you need. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and give us a call up at our 407-505-6456, or you can email us at info@hormonesandwellness.com. Thanks.